Most gardeners water their vegetables wrong, and it's not their fault. The intuitive approach is often counterproductive. Frequent shallow watering, watering in the heat of the day, and overhead sprinklers soaking the leaves. All common, all problematic. In this video, I'll show you how to water your vegetable garden for healthier plants, better harvests, and less water waste. The golden rule is simple: water deeply and less frequently. When you give plants a quick daily spray, roots follow that moisture and stay near the surface. Surface soil dries out fastest, so those roots stay stressed. But when you water deeply, roots chase moisture downward and become stronger, better established, and more drought tolerant. So how deep is deep enough? For most vegetables, moisture should reach 6 to 8 inches into the soil. The easiest test is to push a finger or trowel into the soil about an hour after watering. If it's moist 6 inches down, you're on track. If only the top inch or two is wet, water longer. How often you water depends on your soil and weather. Sandy soil drains quickly and may need water every 2 to 3 days in hot weather. Clay soil holds moisture longer but absorbs it more slowly. Rich, loamy soil with plenty of organic matter is the sweet spot because it holds moisture while still draining well. In summer heat, even good soil may need watering every 3 to 4 days. The worst time to water is midday in full sun. Evaporation is highest then, so much of your water disappears before it reaches the roots. Wet foliage and afternoon sun can also contribute to leaf scorch on some plants. Early morning is best. The soil absorbs water before the day heats up, and leaves dry quickly, reducing fungal disease risk. Drip irrigation is the gold standard for vegetable gardens. It sends water straight to the root zone, keeps foliage dry, reduces fungal disease, and can cut water use by 30 to 50% compared to overhead sprinklers. A basic drip setup for a 4x8 raised bed costs under $30 and takes about an hour.
I'll link a few ideas in the description. Mulch makes watering even more effective. A 2 to 3 inch layer of straw or wood chips reduces evaporation, so you water less often and plants stay hydrated longer. How are you watering right now? By hand, sprinkler, or drip? Share in the comments. Subscribe for more practical gardening advice. And if this helped, give it a thumbs up so I can reach more gardeners like you.